Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is dedicated to help you remove the browser pop-ups and fake Chrome update alerts that come from the site Watchrenewedintenselytheproduct.vip. Watchrenewedintenselytheproduct.vip. This is a deceptive website that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. The developers of this website indicate that it is some crucial Chrome update for the Google Chrome browser. But in reality, this particular website tries to infect a Google Chrome browser by forcing people to download and install the unwanted browser extension. The extensions that are promoted through these pop-ups may function as adware or as browser hijackers. What kind of extension is promoted depends on some IP or regional settings, so it may vary depending on the geographical location of the specific computer. But keep in mind that these, of course, are fake Chrome update alerts. Therefore, please don't interact with these pop-ups. Do not install any of such fake Chrome updates. In case they were mistakenly installed, you should undertake the measures and remove any third-party extensions that got installed as a result. Access the menu of your browser, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. Then you need to carefully research the list of extensions and remove those items that are suspicious. To make sure that your computer is free of any other threats, I would recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official site combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.